Welcome back. Are you excited to learn today? Ready to explore new words? Let's start our learning adventure. Let's begin. H is for happy. Happy. Repeat after me. Happy. Happy. H is for house. House. Great job. Let's say it one more time together. House. House. H is for help. Help. Repeat after me. Help. Help. H is for heart. Heart. Repeat after me. Heart. Heart. H is for horse. Horse. Can you say it with me? Let's try. Horse. Horse. H is for hair. Hair. Repeat after me. Hair. Hair. H is for hope. Hope. Great job. Let's say it one more time together. Hope. Hope. H is for hospital. Hospital. Repeat after me. Hospital. Hospital. H is for head. Head. Can you say it with me? Let's try. Head. Head. H is for history. History. Come on, let's say it together. History. History.
Great job today! You're learning so fast! It's time to practice. Let's repeat the words together. Happy. 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 House. 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 Help. 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 Heart. 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 Horse. 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 Hair. 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 Hope. 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 Hospital. 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 Head. 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 History. 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 Fantastic work! You're getting better every day. Thanks for learning with us today. See you in the next video.